children. In the previous class, we have discussed about angles, different types of angles formed by different lines. When two lines intersect each other, then four angles will form and they are called vertically opposite angle. If two lines are intersected by the third line, then eight angles will form. And there we will get corresponding angle, alternate interior, alternate exterior angle, interior angle on the same side of the transversal. But if these two lines, if parallel and they are intersected by a third line, then also 8 angles will get. Let us take P and Q are two parallel lines and R is the intersecting line. The intersecting line is called transversal. Here R is called transversal. Here also 8 angles are formed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we are getting corresponding angle. 1 and 5 are corresponding angle, like that 4 and 8 corresponding angles, 2 and 6 corresponding, 4 and 7 corresponding angles. There 3 and 5 are alternate angles, 4 and 6 are alternate angles. In this way, an alternate exterior angle also there, 2 and 8 are alternate exterior angle, where 1 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles and alternate angles are automatically equal. If you measure them, you will get their measurement same. Angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 8, angle 2 equal to angle 6 and angle 3 equal to angle 7. Now 4 and 5, they are interior angle on the same side of the transversal. And if lines are parallel, if P line and Q line parallel, then sum of these angles equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Let's discuss something more. If two lines are parallel to a third line, then they are parallel to each other. And the proof of this, let's see here.
Let us prove lines parallel to the same line. We have three lines, line L, M and N, where M parallel to L and N parallel to L. Let us draw one transversal T, where 1, 2 and 3 angles are formed. Here given line M parallel to L and line L parallel to line L, where angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are corresponding angle, and angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because they are corresponding angle, which implies angle 2 equal to angle 3, but they are corresponding angles and they are equal. When corresponding angles are equal, it means that lines are parallel. Line M parallel to line N by converse of corresponding angle axiom. States that a theorem, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other.
Now look at this question. If PQ parallel to ST, angle PQR equal to 110 degree and angle RST equal to 130 degree, find QRS. In answer, given, what things are given, that you have to write down, and we have to find out what, that also you have to write down. But here I am writing after that construction, because I am going to construct a parallel line through R, which will be parallel to PQ as well as ST. Here in construction I have written XY is parallel to PQ and as well as parallel to ST, which is drawn. This dotted line is XY, which is parallel to both of them. Then I have written angle PQR and plus angle QRX, their sum is equal to 180 because they are interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So their sum equal to 180. So this value will be 180 minus 110, means it is 70. Then I am taking here again TSR and SRX. These two are alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. And that is why their values are equal. 130, here also 130. So if you want this angle, then what you will do? as this is 130 degree and this is also 130 degree and you want this angle, then from 130 you minus 70 degree angle. This part is 70 degree, this part you have to subtract. Okay. So from here what we will write down, what is the value of QRS? 130 degree minus 70 degree equal to. Here I am giving you 3 more questions similar to the previous question. Means in this 3 question you have to draw one additional parallel line. Here already given PQ parallel to RS. In the first figure, here if you draw a parallel line through M, then this side you can find out, this angle you can find out, because these two are interior angle on the same side of the transversal. In this way, this side angle also, interior angle also you can find out. After that, if you add both of them, you will get value of x degree. In this way, here in the position M, through M means you have to draw a parallel line which is parallel to both PQ and RS. For that, alternate angles, okay, interior angle of the same side of the transversal, these things are formed, and you have to think how you can use them to find the value of x. Here also same. Here through x you have to, through M you have to draw one parallel line, and by using alternate angles, okay, and interior angle on the same side of the transversal, using that only you can find out x0. Now look at this question, where PQ and RS are two mirrors which are placed parallel to each other, and one incident ray AB struck the mirror PQ at the point B. It is reflected along the path BC. Then again it struck the mirror RS at the point C. Then it is reflected along CD. We have to prove that AB parallel to CD. Here we have to recall the properties of incident ray and reflected ray. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that we know. So here I have drawn two normal at the point B and at the point C. Here at the point B I have drawn normal BN, at the point C I have drawn normal C and S. Here this normal means perpendicular. BN is perpendicular on PQ and C and S perpendicular on RS. So if we know the law, or if we recall the law, then we know this angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Suppose I have written there 1 and 2. I name it as 1 and 2. Here also at this point C, angle of incidence and angle of reflection, both of them are equal. Suppose their name is 3 and 4. Given PQ parallel to RS, we have to prove that AB parallel to CD. Construction: BN perpendicular symbol PQ and C and S perpendicular symbol RS. Now proof. First of all, given name to the angles of incidence and reflection ray. Like angle ABN is 1, CBN is 2, then BC and S is 3 and DC and S is 4. Here angle 1 and angle 2 equal and angle 3 and angle 4 are equal because angles of incidence equal to angle of reflection. But BN is parallel to C and S. BN is parallel to C and S. As they are perpendicular on two parallel lines, so they are parallel to each other. That is also written, but these two are parallel because they are perpendicular on the parallel lines. If they are parallel lines, then 2 and 3, angle 2 and angle 3 are alternate angle. This angle and this angle, alternate angle, they are equal. Then what we have done? 2 we have multiplied both sides. After getting to my angle 2 equal to angle 3, 2 I have multiplied both sides. So if 2 multiplied means 2 times of 2 and 2 times of 3. But we know that 1, 2 angle equal, 3 and 4 angle are equal. So we can write in this way. Angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 3 plus angle 4. And angle 1 plus 2 equal to how much? This angle, ABC. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is how much? DCB angle, that is written. But what is their position? See, ABC and DCB, they are alternate angles. Position of alternate angles. This is two line, this is transversal. So alternate angles are, if they are equal, means lines are parallel. So AB parallel to CD. So in this way we can prove that. So for today, this much only. You try more questions.